Welcome to my review of EazyBot, an AI-driven trading bot designed to automate your trading strategies. If you're looking for a way to streamline your crypto trading, this might just be the tool you need. Upon signing up, you're greeted with a simple interface that walks you through the setup process. Connecting your exchange account to EazyBot is straightforward, and the bot supports several popular platforms, including Binance and KuCoin. The integration process is user-friendly, even for beginners, and you won't need any coding knowledge. EazyBot offers both manual and automated trading options. With the automated mode, you can let the bot run trades for you based on the strategies it's programmed with. These strategies are designed to identify opportunities in the market, helping you execute profitable trades without constant monitoring. One of the standout features of EazyBot is its backtesting tool. Before you deploy a trading strategy live, you can see how it would have performed historically. This is great for testing the waters without risking real money. The backtesting results are easy to read, and you can tweak your strategies to improve them further. The bot also offers risk management tools. You can set stop losses, take profits, and even adjust your bot's trading frequency based on your risk tolerance. EazyBot will alert you if anything unusual happens, so you're never out of the loop. These alerts are customizable, which is perfect for those who want to stay on top of their trades while not being overwhelmed with constant notifications. Many useful links can be found in the description, where you'll find additional resources to help you get started with EazyBot and fine-tune your trading strategy. In terms of performance, EazyBot has delivered impressive results for my portfolio. Of course, like all trading tools, it's not a guaranteed win, but having an AI system to support your trades makes a noticeable difference. I've seen consistent growth in my portfolio, especially on days when I can't actively monitor the market. If you're a beginner, EazyBot is relatively easy to understand. However, it's important to do your research, as no bot can guarantee profits. I recommend starting with small investments and gradually increasing as you gain more confidence with the system. To wrap up, EazyBot is a solid option for those looking to automate their crypto trading. With its user-friendly interface, risk management features, and strong backtesting tools, it's a good choice for traders of all levels. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and updates. Let me know in the comments if you tried EazyBot or if you have any questions.